Crazy Cuties, welcome back. So today's video is probably going to be another makeup therapy video because I'm not getting ready with me type of deal. I'm just going to play with makeup and just talk to you guys and just have a little fun because I got some new couple new products I got as always, but I also want to play with some new stuff, but also want to try a new product. And it's the LA Girl Pro Filter Soft Pink. You know, this was like the soft pink colors that a lot of brands are coming out with pink color correcting, brightening powder, supposed to set on your under eyes or anywhere. I actually want to try this, so I don't know, because I know Makeup Revolution has Rose. I know Huda Beauty was the one who started the pink one, I believe. But I know there's a lot of brands that are coming out with their own version of the pink settings thing. So I decided to get this because it is what it is. I just want to try it, see if it fits with my skin tone slash undertone, because I want to play with some dark colors. I'm actually going to use the Shade Thrower Morphe palette, and I just want to play. I don't know what I'm going to come up with, because I don't want to go with a white base, but if it's really too pinky, I might mix it in with this one. I don't know yet. I just don't know what my brain is going to go for. But I want to play with this because I've been looking at this palette since I got it, and I'm just like, since I'm wearing purple and everything, let's go for it, because we're going to have a little fun. I just want to have fun. Very excited. I don't know. My brain is just like, let's talk about a few things. I don't know. How's your first week of New Year's? Was it fun? Was it, you had a blast? Are you getting your goals done? Are you starting your goals? What thing I am working on, I know I didn't mention this in my video that I did, the makeup therapy video that I did. I really don't know what. I know I gotta change couple of things about me. I'm perfect the way I am, don't get me wrong. I'm broken, but I'm beautiful. You know the Kelly Clarkson song, Broken and Beautiful. I'm broken, but I'm beautiful. I love that song. That is like my go-to song that I really enjoy, especially if I'm in those moments that I don't feel like I'm not doing what, whatever, depression, social anxiety. I don't care what people think about me. Number one, I just don't care. I'm me. I'm the queen bee, or princess bee, queen. But it takes me a minute for it to be that way, depending on the situation. But most of the time, I'm just that way. I don't know. I just feel like I don't know. It's my anger issues I'm still working on. So these are really beautiful colors, and I'm like, I do want to play with the purple, and want to play with this shade right here. That's like a purpley tone duochrome shimmer. I think it's really pretty. So I'm definitely have to go with purple, so I'm going with the taupey color. So I'm going to go with Childish. But I'm just like, I'm going to do what I'm going to have fun and everything else. But I don't want people just like, hey, you gotta change. I'm not gonna change for anybody. I'm gonna change for myself and everything else. But this palette has a little bit of kickback on it, so it's very powdery and it's very pigmented. I've got to understand there's a lot of things I can't change, and that's I'm not gonna say I'm a very controlling person. I'm not controlling with people, I'm controlling with my environment. And it's like really, I don't know how to put it, you could say. Spending my money like crazy. I know I shouldn't, but there's a couple of things I want to start like doing, because there's a lot of palettes I want, and I want to get them before they go bye-bye, because they're beautiful colors, and I want to try there's certain brands I want to try, especially Laura Geller. And I do want to try more Violet Voss. I want to get more of, other brands. I want to try different brands too. So I'm just like, okay, but also there's like palettes from Makeup Revolution that I want, and there's a couple ones that I kind of wish I got my hands on because I like the colors. I was like so mad about a few shades with the crystal aura ones. Those were so pretty and I couldn't get them. I was like so sad. I was like so sad because, like I said, they were really beautiful colors. And I was like, oh no. And I want the other ones that they just came out, and those are so gorgeous. Like, they were like really gorgeous. So I'm just like, yes, I want that. I want those 3 palettes, but I'm waiting until they're on sale. I'm like, Alex, you just get them. I'm like, no, I want to wait, you know. I'm like looking at different palettes. Like, I want to, you know, try out more. I'm just like, I got to be careful with my spending because I am saving money. I spend what I can spend, but there's like a couple of other things I want to try with different subscriptions. And one of them is called Lash Balm. Their own lashes. They're magnetic. I do want to try more of the lashes because I like magnetic ones because they're easy to deal with, I think. But I don't want them because I don't wear lashes. So they came out with just a makeup box, and it was just like, And also there's another one called Spoil Lips Cosmetic, which I do have with their Gamer Girl palette, and I like the formula of it. And I want to get more other palettes because there's certain ones I like, and there's certain ones I like. It's not worth getting it, and there's like a couple of one. They have one. It's like the Spoil one that's like has a mermaid in that, and I was like, oh, those are so pretty, and which is like one of those things, you know, like I want that. But I also saw that they have a bi-monthly eyeshadow palettes, which is awesome because Life Glam used to have that. And I was like, okay, yeah, I actually want that because those are cool and might as well. And there's a good sale, let's go ahead. And I'm planning to get it because I find it really like interesting. I like that. I actually don't mind that because some palettes is like, if I don't like the color story, okay, I'll just put in a giveaway. Now the giveaway I do have going on right now, so it ends January 12th. Like really interesting with this palettes, and there's like a couple of new palettes that I see, and there's like a couple of them that's like, okay, let's get that because I like the color stores, or there's some new palettes, like, oh okay, because I never tried the brand, so I'm just like, should I spend the money? Especially the indie brands are like $60, and it's just like, do I want to spend that much for an eyeshadow palette? And that's why I go through my head a little bit. It's why I'm studying it. It's that because of that. I'm like, do I? But how would you know if the formula is good if you don't try? And that's what I'm going through in my head. Am I going through a nobody? Want to do a nobody? No, hell no. I could never do that. That'd be a great challenge to do for myself. But I know I'm gonna fail. So that's really pretty. I like how this is coming. I like how this is like, yeah, it might be a little kickback in the palette, but at least it gives you pigmentation, because I don't like when palettes go to a bunch of pack. You know, really a whole bunch of kickback and you dust it up and there's barely anything. It's like, why? Okay, there's like 2 shades that I want to go. RBF or Top It Off. To tell you the truth, I'm gonna go Top It Off because I think that's a really pretty shade. But I'm gonna put glitter glue on, like put glitter glue. So what I like to do is just use a glitter glue for shimmers and also glitter. But I don't do a lot of glitter because not my thing I like to do. I like to do one eye at a time. There's like so many brands, and I'm wondering what this year is gonna be in the beauty community. Like, are we gonna be done with this stupid freaking drama? I mean, that's what I'm looking at it like. Are we gonna be done with the stupid ass damn drama that keeps going in this beauty community? Because I know people are people, man. People are human and people make mistakes. But why? Yeah, we gotta hold people account, especially certain people. I'm gonna use Top It Off because that's the shade it's calling me. But people, I don't understand how, especially drama channels, this keeps, you know, I know people want the truth out there. I also believe that people need to stop analyzing, stop over analyzing people. I think that's why I have a problem. Let's all have fun. Let's have fun creating. And I know some beauty channels like does, you know, the reviews, and I'm fine with that. Because I do want to see like yeah, we have to have the reviews because we gotta know what people think and how these products work. To me, if you want your own opinion, do it yourself. Do it. This is so pretty. This is a good like a New Year's look. Me doing a New Year's look after New Year's Day. See, I don't follow nobody. I just do my own thing. With like, I'm so done with drama. Like, I'm 32 years old, surprisingly. But it's just like, should I go with like a black eyeliner to go with this? I don't know. We're actually just gonna do it. And I just want to do it like a little wing. I'm gonna use Dirty Laundry. Okay. It is gonna be, it is what it is, what it is, what it is. One of the most pain he has to deal with. But yeah. But, you know, I wish the beauty community would just come back just to have fun. Almost out of this one. So get it, try the new one that I decided to get is that one, but I like to use up the products I already have in my coat, or I buy, and sometimes unless it's a really good deal and I know I need it within like a month or so, I gotta wax my face soon. You can say this could be my going out. If I was going out with my boyfriend and we just said, hey, let's go out, you know, go on a date. Now, I am going to use this one from e.l.f. just to see, because this is supposed to be a pink fair rose, so it has a little bit pink, so we're just going to see. Okay, with that. Then, we're going to use this. I think my light is a little bit off on this. I thought it's going to be like a really pink. You know what I mean? It sold me. This sold me. Okay. Let that sit for a minute. I really like this powder from Make Revolution. Like, I like Profusion, but this one's a lot softer than Profusion. The blush. I'm actually going to use this one. It's the Essence Blush Crush and Love Your Lilac. This is like a nice, pretty mauve color, and I thought it'd be nice to work with this one. So this is really nice. I've used it a couple of times, and I really do enjoy this formula. And I'm definitely going to get more of these. With that purple color, like that, still that purpley color, but not as than highlighter. Actually, I got a perfect one. I haven't used this, and it's like a very old, it was part, I don't know, it's like, this is old, not really old, but old release, like a few years ago, and it's the Ritualistic NYX Illuminator powder. It's the cover lipstick, and it's a nice, like a neutral color, so I can't find a cool tone highlighter. I feel like this light a little bit better. I know the light is going to be, it's not bad. I like how it's this nice sheen to it, but also a pretty color. So I'm going to use Peekaboo Neutral because I think this will be a perfect color. I like Peekaboo Neutral because it can go with any like browns if you want to do that, but yeah. Okay. I actually want to do something. This is the, got a advent calendar one from W7 Cosmetics. I found it on Walmart, and I was like, you know what, let's try it. And the last video I did was that brand, I actually like this formula of this one. Perfect. I think it is. I'm not fixing my hair, I'm just, but yeah, I got to try out some 1, 2, 3 brands. Not 3 brands, but 3 products. These 3. Well, these 3 here. So that's good. I like to try new products. Really nice on the lips. It's like definitely a satin finish. I don't mind. I like lipsticks to be satin finish. When it comes with lipsticks, I like to be a satin finish anyway. When it comes to mattes. I prefer the liquid mattes anyway, but I think they did a really good job. I like it. And the Pro Setting one, really, I think I can tell the difference, but I do like this. So definitely giving me that mattifying skin. It does give you a soft pink. I do like that, so I will continue to be using this one. And I'm definitely going to play with this even more. Very excited. I actually definitely want to play with this even more because that shade, Top It Off, is such a beautiful shade. And I really like it. I love how this palette is actually coming out really good on camera. I really do like it. So also the sun is going down. The light's a little bit different, but that's just okay. I'm very excited, like trying out new, you know, like I love trying out new products and also new brands. So this is really going to be a fun year because I got so many, oh my gosh. Me buying new products, especially new products that I want to try, and of course new palettes. But just because I like the brand does not mean I always want the collection. The collection has to speak for me. It is like, oh, I like Morphe, but I like their olive. No. How come I want this palette? Because of the shimmers. I like this. Like, this is a good evening. You can turn this into a day to evening palette. I think that's perfect. I think I love trying new brands and I love trying new products. Just because, like I said before, just because I enjoy the brand doesn't mean all the collections. I want every collection they have. Like I said, they have to speak to me. There has to be a palette. There has to be a shade in that palette that really, 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 really catches my eye. And it's really not that hard. Granted, it's not that hard. But I'm becoming more and more picky. So, especially with the shadows, I don't have this shadow. I'm going to get it. I already have that shadow. And I already have something similar. I don't need that in my collection. Yes, I like the formula. Yes, I like the brand, but I don't need it in my collection. But yeah, but it is what it is. But I really, really do like this eyeshadow look I came up with. This is something that I would, oh yeah. I do have a giveaway. I'm going to remind you again, I do have a giveaway that ends January 12th. All the rules for the giveaway will be down below in the description box. And of course, all the products will be listed that I use in this video will be listed down below. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content. You want to see more of makeup therapy or get ready with me videos or anything like that. You like to have fun, be creative, and just have a blast if you like these kind of videos. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we'll welcome you. We are a very judgment-free group. We welcome everybody here, so there will be no judgment. It's just like to have fun and just have a blast. And of course, make sure the notification bell to be notified of any new videos that I upload. Okay, I think this is it for me. I love you. I love you wherever you're at. And God bless. Bye.